back.
Subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to the channel.
Hey y'all, get into this mommy and me bun mohawk hairstyle. This is a special video in honor of Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to all the mommies out there. And if you want to see how I achieve this hairstyle on me and Zuri's hair, then stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to get started with doing my hair first, then Zuri's hair, because when I do her hair, it's a whole hassle. So let's get started with me. As you can see, I'm starting to prep my hair for the style that I want, and unfortunately, this consists of me parting my hair. I don't know, and don't ask me why I still haven't mastered parting my hair yet, but the goal is to part my hair into 3 sections just to create these cute mohawk buns. Y'all, it is really sad out here. So I had to get my boyfriend to help me part my hair because I was over here struggling. So I don't think he did a bad job. Like, I think he did pretty good. Well, way better than me. I just cannot part to save my life, especially when it's on my head. On my daughter's hair, I can, but me, it's a struggle. So now that my hair is parted into the 3 sections for the buns, I'm going to create these cute little crisscross sections on each side of my hair to jazz up this style a little bit. I have a similar hairstyle video on my channel, but on this particular video, I did add in some extensions to each of the buns. But this time, this style will just be added with just my hair only and no added extensions. Of course, I'll be using the Shining Gel because it works wonders with laying down these stubborn hairs. I apply some of the product to this piece of hair, then secure it with this rubber band. I secure it enough where it doesn't slip out, but not so secure where it's super tight and causing tension to my scalp. Then once the bottom pieces are rubber band, I will leave the top pieces unrubber band so I can add and twist it into this piece of hair to create the crisscross section, and then repeat this same steps to the other side of my hair. So once those 2 sections of my hair is complete, now it's time to create my buns. And as you can see, I'm starting to smooth out my hairs with the brush. And I also apply the Shining Gel to this section of my hair as well. I know you're probably wondering, where is this girl putting this extra hair from this crisscross section and where is it going? Don't worry, I will show you guys in a minute. But I did have, like I said, a similar video on this hairstyle, and I added all of the pieces of hair from the bun plus the crisscross section pieces of hair all together in one ponytail, and I just really didn't like that look. So here, as you can see, I twisted this piece of hair and then wrapped it around my ponytail, and then crisscrossed the other piece of hair and then wrapped that around in the opposite direction, and then apply that same method to the other side of my hair, just wrapping those pieces of hair around my ponytail. And I found it to be less tension on my scalp with that pulling from each section of my hair, and just kind of created a cuter look too. So now that the front ponytail is secured, as you can see, I'm now adding in the ponytails to the middle and back section just to create that mohawk bun look that I'm going for. So this part is easiest. The front was a little bit more complicated, especially since I put those 2 little cute crisscross sections on the side. Once I have my 3 ponytails, now it's time to create the bun. So I just fold the bottom ponytail forward and clip it with a bobby pin. The middle section, I fold it backwards, and then I apply a little bit more product to the front section where I fold it back as well. And then voila, you got a mohawk bun with a little cute curls on the side. Okay, y'all, so now it's time to repeat the same hairstyle on my daughter Zuri's hair. I picked a very simple and cute hairstyle for this mommy and daughter hairstyle because if I'm doing Zuri's hair too long, she tends to get aggravated quick. Hence to the reason why I said simple hairstyle. She's basically a mini version of me. So if you know me, then you already know what that means. So to make things easy for me and her, I picked a bun mohawk style. Plus styles do not last on Zuri's hair long and it tends to frizz up the next day. So this is the perfect style for her. So as you've seen in the clips for Zuri's hairstyle, as I mentioned, it is the same hairstyle. I am creating this crisscross section with the rubber bands on each side of her hair as well. So this part she doesn't really care for because I do have to part her hair a little bit more on this front section of her hair. But it's so cute and simple, so she gotta love it. So for Zuri's ponytails as well, I applied the same products I applied on my hair. So I did apply the Camille Rose Mousse on her hair. I forgot to show that in the clip when I was applying it to my hair. And then I also applied Shiny Jam to her section of ponytails as well. Whatever I put on my hair, I put on hers. Same product, same hairstyle. It's a mommy and me day. Then, as I mentioned, repeating the same methods, that cross section of those pieces of hair, just wrapping around her ponytail as well. And I noticed that it's not as much tension pulling on her scalp because the rubber bands already kind of give a little pull to your roots of your hair. So I didn't want to do that. So I just slightly wrapped around her ponytail so that it's not snugging on her hair. So now that Zuri's hair is in 3 ponytails, now it's time to place the ponytails into buns. So again, I'm placing that bottom ponytail going forward. I know it's not really a bun, but it's creating a mohawk look. So it's folding forward, the bottom piece, and then the middle section is folding backwards just to give that little mohawk look. And then the front piece, I'm applying product to there. Each section has product in there, but the front piece kind of matters most because that's where your face is. So just applying a little product there and then folding that backwards as well. And then voila, you got your ponytails with a curl on the side. Okay guys, so this is the final results of Zuri and I's hairstyle. Zuri. It's the final results of our hairstyle and peep her hairstyle. And then I also added just an extra bow for her since she's like 3. It's just cute for her. Just a pop of yellow since she has yellow in her outfit. And then just simple me. So mommy and me matching outfits, hairstyle. So that I thought this was a cute addition, beautiful video for Mother's Day. So yes, I love it. You like your hair?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, I like your hair.
You do?
Yes.
She says she likes it. What do y'all think? Make sure y'all leave a comment below, share this video, and tell us what you think about our hair. Say bye, subscribe to the channel.
Bye.